queen of hearts. When everyone falls, you're forced to hold your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invisible fence letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is black, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invisible fence letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. I've got my moves, I've got my song. When I turn my mojo on, I'm feeling fine, I'm feeling strong. It won't take long when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. Watch me use my witchcraft. I'm gonna use my witchcraft.
Let's learn Witchcraft. It's choreographed by Hayley Wheatley. It is a 32 count, 2-wall beginner level line dance with a restart, with a step change on wall 5 in your 24 counts. I'm going to turn on and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the step change and the restart, and then we're going to go around and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Witchcraft. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 4 toe struts forward. We're going to take our right toe, touch it forward, and we're going to quickly drop our right heel, taking weight. We're now going to touch our left toe forward, quickly drop our left heel, taking weight. Touch your right toe forward, drop your right heel, quickly taking weight. Touch your left toe forward, drop your left heel, take weight. We're now going to do a right mambo step, rocking our right foot forward, recover back onto your left, and step back with your right. We're now going to do a left shuffle back, step back with your left, step your right next to your left, step back with your left. Let's try it with some counts, doing those quick toe struts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a coaster cross with our right foot. You're going to step back with your right, step your left next to your right, and then cross your right over your left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and cross your left over your right. Rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, cross your right over your left. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and cross your left over your right. Let's try it with some counts, starting with your coaster and then your side rock crosses. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover onto your left, and then we're going to do a half shuffle, turning over our right shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. Step your left next to your right, and then you're going to make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover onto our right, and we're going to do a 3/4 triple over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right next to your left, And then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. You're doing your rock half shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you want to keep that nice and small. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a grapevine to the right. We're going to step our right foot to the side, left foot behind, right side, touch left next to right. We're now going to do step together, quarter together, step, touch. We're going to step our left foot to the left side. Quickly step your right next to your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to quickly step your right next to your left, step forward with your left, and then touch your right next to your left. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's try it with some counts. We're doing our grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps and one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your toe struts. Right toe strut, left toe strut, right toe strut, left toe strut, right. Mambo, step, left, shuffle, back. Coaster, cross, side rock, cross, side rock, cross, side rock, cross. Rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, 3/4 triple, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, step together, quarter together, step, touch. And that is the whole dance. So now let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing those toe struts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. So the restart is going to happen on wall 5, which will be your 12 o'clock facing wall. We're going to dance the whole dance all the way through up until count 22. And then we're going to slightly change that last 7 and 8 in the dance. So weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your toe struts. We're doing toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Mambo, step left, shuffle back. Coaster, cross, side rock, cross, side rock, cross, side rock, cross. Rock, recover, half shuffle. Right here, we're going to do our rock, recover, and then we're going to do another half shuffle, this time turning over our left shoulder. So you're going to rock forward with your left, recover onto your right, and instead of doing a 3/4 triple, we're going to do a half shuffle. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to return to 12 o'clock, and then you will start the dance all over again with your toe struts. So now let's go all the way around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance 6 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition into the next wall from the restart. Weight is starting on your left foot. We're starting with our toe struts forward. So we're doing right toe strut, left toe strut, right toe strut, left toe strut, right mambo, step, left, shuffle, back. Coaster, cross, side rock, cross, side rock, cross, side rock, cross. Rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, 3/4 triple, grapevine, side, behind, side touch. Step together, quarter together, step, touch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Mambo step, shuffle back. Coaster, cross, side rock, cross, side rock, cross, side rock, cross. Rock, recover, half shuffle. Rock, recover, 3/4 triple, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch. Step together, quarter together, step, touch, toe struts, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. We're going to dance those 22 counts and then do a half shuffle. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Mambo step, shuffle back. Coaster cross, side rock cross, side rock cross, side rock cross. Rock, recover, half shuffle. Now rock, recover, half shuffle. Restart the dance. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Mambo step, shuffle back. Coaster cross, side rock cross, side rock cross, side rock cross. Rock, recover, half shuffle. Rock, recover, 3/4 triple grapevine. Side behind side touch. Side together, quarter together, step, touch. And then you would just dance the rest of the dance all the way through until the end of the song. I hope this helps you learn witchcraft. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.